Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these best LinkedIn lead generation tools called Waalaxy. So here's the breakdown. Waalaxy is a LinkedIn lead generation platform that helps marketers, sales pros, and the business owner automate outreach, profile visits, connection sequence, and messaging campaign. It works by letting you create multi-step funnel like visit, connection, messages, and follow-up that runs on autopilot, so you can consistently engage prospects without manual work. With features like campaign tracking and CRM-style contact management, it's designed to help you scale LinkedIn prospecting more predictably. That said, because Waalaxy automates action on LinkedIn, you need to be more careful with limit and platform policies to avoid restriction on your account. Some users also find that overly aggressive sequence can feel impersonal if not thoughtfully crafted. So in my opinion, the Waalaxy is one of the best LinkedIn lead generation tools for automating outreach and growing connection at scale. But smart strategy and pacing are key to get good results without risking your LinkedIn standard. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.